Do you have a blue key?
Not yet, but I am being chased.
Hey,
Oh, no.
stop that!
Oh, no.
Did you die?
No, I'm very close to though.
Here, Piggy, over here.
Yeah, Piggy, get Albert now.
Ah!
No!
No!
He got me!
No, Piggy
Man.
fell.
Wait, I think I can maybe just join your match again. Wait, no, I'm just spectating. Run! No!
No! The blue key was over. Well,
Well, at least
we'll
we know.
just start over. All right, Piggy's close. Oh wait, Kaden, do you know where blue door is?
Blue door. It might be in the backyard.
Where is it?
I have the green key.
Green
Does
key.
anyone
Okay,
use
I have blue key. Wait, I think I've already opened green door. Oh wait, blue door is over here. Oh wait, we need like the little spinny wheels for this right there. All right, I have a yellow
Ooh.
key.
I have bullets.
I don't. Oh wait, okay, wait. Go around here. Go around here. Follow me.
Uh-oh.
All right, this way. Oh God, what if you just ran into him? Close the door behind you.
Uh-oh.
Oh, don't do it.
I'm so
Close this
sorry.
door behind you.
Yeah, close.
I'm scared you're gonna close on yourself because I almost did that.
That'd be terrifying.
Wait, where do I do yellow? Oh wait, okay, I know. Basement. All right, so
Basement.
we're gonna get them all the way up here. I'm gonna even
Okay.
do one of these. Look how risky I am.
Whoa.
Crouch.
You're risky. You're risky. That was cool.
All right, so we're gonna die.
Yeah.
And that's final.
No!
No!
No! You shut the door on me.
No! I didn't think that would happen. So there's stuff in the basement. Kind of. Well, okay. Try to make your way. She's like literally right behind you.
Yo, show some love for your favorite rapper.
Yeah, put cogs in there. I have a wrench.
Cog. Should I take the...
Ah! She's right there! She's right here!
No,
Be careful!
no.
No! Keep going! Alright, close the door behind you. Close the door behind you.
Close.
I thought you closed on yourself. I got really scared. Alright, close the door behind you.
Okay, close.
What do we need wrench for?
I don't know, but I have blue key. I don't think we need this.
We don't.
Should've grabbed bullets.
Wait, wrench for this. Whoop. Alright,
Nice.
something happened. Ah! Alright, we just gotta keep going.
No!
Wait.
Yes,
Go,
got
okay,
it.
good. Alright, the lasers have been dead.
Yay.
Alright.
baby. Good job.
I'ma just go in, see what happens.
Yep, let's see what
What's
this
this? Oh, this is just another exit. Okay.
Okay.
What else do we need? Oh, purple key.
Okay.
Here, I'll grab that.
Okay. I'll take wrench for some reason.
Alright, I'm gonna go to the basement. Distract her, maybe. Or maybe go in
Okay.
basement with me. I don't know.
You got this.
Oh, wait. We need hammer for down here.
You do?
Where'd you put the hammer?
Oh man, that is a question.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to look places.
Yo, hold on. Our competitors for this round will
I
be...
got it. The purple key is downstairs. We have like 5 minutes.
Alright, let's go. I'm closing the door.
Hammer.
There we go.
What does this do?
Bam.
Maybe we should have got the purple key. Oh, we need the purple key for this.
Oh, where is it?
go through that one, homie.
Is that possible? Or maybe if I
No.
pick something else up?
Wait, gold key. We need a gold key for this. We're running out of time.
Yo, homie, I know you can do better than that, dog. Yo, this is your last chance. Can you come back on that, homie?
You are now listening to Saru Beats.
Oh no, I don't know if we're gonna make it out. Oh, Piggy! No! She got
No!
me! No!
No!
Go on without me!
No! No! Alright, Caden's dead. We're down to the last of it. Wait, so
Yo, hold on. Our competitors for this round will be...
nothing here. What do I need? Did we get all like the cogs from the pack?
Oh, maybe we didn't.
No.
I feel like there could be a cog needed to be found still, but I might be wrong actually.
No, that's good. That's good. We got all that.
You might be able to just leave.
Oh no,
Oh.
no, sister. Okay, okay. All right, so I'm gonna take her around here. All right. Boop. Bro, I hope this is it.
I hope so. I hope so.
Ah!
You get it! You didn't go!
We did
Yeah,
it!
hey, here I am too! Yeah!
There's Caden.
Yeah, I'm alive!
Well, we did it. Guys, we were like extreme intense mode. He just got kind of like caught on like I don't know. How'd you die?
I don't even know, to be honest. It's all blur.
It all happened so fast. So
Yeah,
we
exactly.
beat Piggy. That's probably something you guys did with way less time than us, but whatever. We have 15 pig coins now. Wait, how many pig coins do you have?
0. Why?
I have 15. Let us know what other challenges you want Caden and I to do. If we might do it.
Yeah.
Subscribe Caden Fumblebomb. That's something.
Whoa, thanks. That's a challenge.
Do this challenge at home. Subscribe Caden. Daycare story, yay! You know, I've been terrorizing daycares in Roblox for a very long time, for many years actually. Many Roblox babies have felt mental not good from me. And you know what? Maybe it's time they return the favor on me on a daycare camping story. I mean, guys, is this enough proof for you? Enough! But first, I need a little good luck kiss. Thanks. Thanks, brother. Merch on sale! Hey, I will do this. Every single time you buy clothes from me, I do that again. Ew! It made all of us short and fat. Well, it made us short. My character was already fat. Oh, he's thick. Look at him. Oh my god, that's a big boy. But I don't know what this game's about. Well, I know it has a daycare, and maybe the babies die. I don't know. Oh wait, we're the babies! Cause that's why, okay, it made us short and thick. Because we're babies. And babies are shorter. And they're also fat, apparently. Every single one of them. Actually, babies are kind of fat. They're lazy. They need to exercise. Some good vibes. Did it break? Oh, big. Oh, what? She's fat too. Hello, my name is Lily. More like a fatty. I will be looking after you for the next 2 days. These kids are just running into the door. You guys are idiots.
Can you show me your happy face?
Okay.
Yeah? you just. Okay, there we go. It took her a sec. Welcome inside.
Hi, Spy Ninjas. Melvin just dipped out of the safe house. He left us a note, and it seems like he's quitting the Spy Ninjas forever.
Yeah, so that's why right now we gotta go find him. Okay, Regina?
Did you wash your hands?
Oh, look at this crying.
Daniel, go.
Yes, I did. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, come on, Regina. We're here at the park. Maybe Melvin is around here.
Do you think he came here because he got scared of the voice that was freaking under our house? What the heck is up with that?
I know. I kind of just want to go see who's down
Like stuttering. If you
in that door underneath our safe house. But we gotta find Melvin, okay? Because he's done being a good guy. If Melvin is leaving the Spy Ninjas, does that mean he's gonna go back to Project Zorgo?
That's horrible because Melvin was one of my most trusted colleagues.
Hold on a second. Hold on.
And he knows where the safe house is.
Oh.
And then Project Zorgo will know where the safe house
I'm
is.
getting a phone call from Chad.
Maybe they figured out who's under the hatch.
Let's answer
I will go.
it. Hey, Chad. What's good, my dog?
What's good, my dog V?
Did you understand that? Wait, say it again. There's no use.
All right, Chad and V, if you hear us, we can't hear you right now, but you're probably doing some really important stuff, figuring out who's behind the hatch.
We're gonna keep looking for Melvin, all right? Try a text, maybe.
We'll call you later.
Bye.
Come on, Daniel. Behind this tree. Look for yourself.
Wait a minute, is that Melvin?
Wild Melvin.
See, he's still wearing CWC merch. He's still a Spy Ninja. He's still on our side.
He probably doesn't have any other clothes on him.
We gotta go confront him and ask him what the heck is going on.
We need to smack some sense into that boy.
Yeah. I call the left cheek, all right?
I'll cut the right.
Oh, that's weird. Wait a minute. His phone's ringing.
Who's he on the phone with? He has other friends other than us? We're not clingy. Who's he talking to?
Just listen.
Same thing.
Hello, Project Zorgo. It is I, PC.
That's a pretty good Boonth impression.
Yeah.
Why is he talking like PZ Boonth?
I'm calling one Zuber. I need to be picked up at the park.
What did he just say? He wants Project Zorgo to pick him up in a Zuber? What the heck is a Zuber?
You're ancient. Zubers are the Project Zorgo ride-sharing service.
I want the truck. The black truck. The black truck. Dankeschön.
The fire can't hurt you.
Oh, jeez. Why is he asking for a black truck so bad?
Well, he is carless right now. His Honda Fit got stolen.
When I ask for Ubers, I just say any Uber will do.
He is bougie, though.
Ooh, I am fancy. I am BZ9. Look at me. Right there. That's a black truck. That's definitely a black truck. What do we do? Should we jump out and say, Melvin, don't go into that black Zuber?
Stop. Don't touch. Just leave the room and tell an adult.
What are you talking about? There's Melvin. Oh, what is he doing? Oh, the car parked.
He was pretending to be fooled, remember? Maybe he doesn't want to get caught.
Uh-oh, I think I see where this is going.
I don't know if that's a great hiding
The
spot.
hacker's coming.
He's hiding from the hacker. It's not a great hiding spot, to be honest.
Well, it looks like it's working.
You know why oftentimes Project Zorgo members aren't good at looking?
Tiny holes in their eyes.
It's really hard to see through that mask.
I don't get it. I don't know where he's at. He called me like it was an emergency. I don't see him.
He's totally baiting the hacker right now. I think I know what's gonna happen.
I'm here to pick you up, Buck. Buck, where could you be?
Oh, he's getting so close. Oh my gosh. Jeez, dude.
He could have been a little more light with it.
Oh, you know Melvin. He's never light with anything. He goes ham. He just...
Give me the keys.
Oh, okay. There you go.
He's not following the Spy Ninja rules of conduct.
And especially don't take their car. Melvin's usually not this crazy.
Truck is mine.
Is the hacker okay?
Oh,
Jeez, Melvin.
this guy is nuts right now. Melvin's going to the truck right now.
He's
We're gonna lose
drive
him.
off. We gotta sneak into the bed of the truck.
Jump in the back of the truck, Regina.
Come on, Daniel. Are you okay,
Oh,
hacker?
leave me alone. These Spy Ninjas are getting vicious. Ah, stay away from me.
No, it's not us. It's not us. We wouldn't do that. Oh, gosh.
I mean, at least he's gone.
Yeah, but this is not good. If the hackers think that we're gonna be throwing the first punches, they're gonna step up their game.
Melvin's ruining it for all of us.
He is. Get in the truck. Get in the trunk. Regina, come on.
He's vlogging.
He's vlogging. Okay, he's distracted, vlogging right now. There you go.